What do you get for $3 million in Laguna Niguel? Let's go take a look. Well, it looks nice on the outside. Nice fixtures. That trendy black and white. They have the same floors we have in our house and also the exact same appliances, the Thermador. So they obviously have good taste here. Nice kitchen, opens up to a great room, like the light fixtures. The recessed lighting everywhere is nice. Pretty much the same marble we have on that fireplace. Wow, this is a great little sunroom office with an unbelievable view. The full ocean view out there, a little overcast today, but it's nice. Got a nice backyard, way up on the hill, great views. A little outdoor dining area. Just needs an outdoor kitchen. Did a nice job with the smaller size bathroom. Well, this is a nice upstairs master right over that downstairs dining area. Great views, ocean view, canyon. I love this bathroom with a cool view aisle. Big soaking tub. 2 large closets. This is nice.